Top 5 The Ultimate Showdown. Ranking the top 5 tabletop water dispensers for crisp hydration. Whether you're staggering into the kitchen with bedhead to grab some water for your parched throat or hosting a fancy garden party, there's a tabletop dispenser here that can serve up whatever sort of chilled, heated, or room temperature drinks you desire. Our selection includes both powered and non-electric options that you can use at home, at work, or pretty much anywhere thirsty folks gather. Water bottle dispenser 5-gallon. Brio CLBL 420V2 bottom loading water cooler dispenser. Brio CLBL 520SC self-cleaning bottom-load water cooler dispenser. Five-gallon electric drinking portable water dispenser. Igloo top-loading hot and cold water dispenser. Visit our site reviewparks.com link in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe.